Hey you guys, I have a great project today. We're going to use our wine transfer. This is called I Need Wine. It's kind of appropriate for Wine Friday, right? So I'm going to use this transfer, our 9x12 palette sign. I'm dipping into our Napa chalk paste. This was our color of the month back in, I want to say like September, October. If you don't have this, you can mix currant jam or cherry with a little black to darken it up. And we are going to do a fun technique on here to stain it, give it that stained wood look instead of white. And before I do that, I'm gonna do a little sanding. So follow along as we get to work. Okay, first things first, we're gonna sand this. So I love to get out my little sander here and go around this palette board. It's really, really cool. It has this distressing and it brings forward some of that wood color. And then I'm gonna mix my own stain. I'm using bark and a little tiny bit of black, mix it together, add water, and I'm just gonna rub it on with a rag. So simple. You can see how it gives that stained look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the edges, and then I will just go over it ever so slightly with a sanding block. So just do a little bit more distressing. It turns out really cool. Hey, if you are new and are just catching this for the first time or are not part of my group, go ahead and comment VIP, where I will send you a link so that you can join my DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Okay, so I cut my stencil apart on the lines and I did fuzz it before I put it down. And I'm just spreading across some of our black chalk paste onto the surface so that going over the outline of the bottle and the wine glass. And now I'm putting some of our Napa on the inside of the wine glass to show the red wine. Doing the same thing on the bottom. When this is done, I'm gonna make sure it's dried, good and dried, and we'll be able to put it out for display. Hey, if you haven't joined my club, go ahead and comment club. And if you're curious about being a designer like me, go ahead and comment team, TEAM. I'll send you some information and a link where you can watch a video and ask me questions. And there you have it, folks. I need wine. It says, I don't need an inspirational quote. I need wine. Super cool. I did that awesome technique on the surface of our palette sign, and then just simple black and Napa. Again, if you don't have Napa, all you have to do is take your currant jam or your cherry, add a little black to it, and darken it up to be that yummy, delish red wine color. So simple, anyone can do this. Go ahead and comment VIP. If you're not in my group, it's my DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information inside that group. Thank you so much for watching and have an amazing night. Bye.